Hello everyone, welcome to Brainy Founder channel. Today I'm diving into a topic that can transform your financial life. First of all, I must say that nowadays many people are facing serious financial problems, especially people who work full-time all week and have to take care of their families. The main financial problem of people who work full-time is debt, which is considered quite difficult to manage. For people who have no knowledge about finances, from credit card debt to overspending, you will see that it is very important, because if we don't change our spending habits, we will be in debt for the rest of our lives. Topic in this video, I'm talking about 5 habits to have better finances than 99% of people. I confirm by the end of this video, you'll have some powerful strategies to supercharge your financial health ensure. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Chapter 1. Embrace the idea of being mindful with your money. To kickstart your journey towards stability, start by being aware of how money moves in and out of your life. Of cutting back on indulgences like your daily coffee fix or skipping social gatherings to save money, it's crucial to approach spending with mindfulness. Stick to a spending pattern in the month. If you can afford that extra cup of coffee in the morning, go ahead. If you feel like switching up your breakfast from toast to a croissant with jam, go for it. If you're craving something than macaroni and cheese on a Friday night, treat yourself by ordering in. It's about finding a balance without going or restricting yourself too much. It's important to gauge how your average weekly expenses affect your comfort and happiness. For some people, living comfortably might involve indulging in a massage every Sunday, playing squash, or enjoying a premium coffee from their favorite cafe daily. It's crucial to figure out what brings you joy and include it in your budget. At the end of a week of spending, take some time to analyze and categorize your expenditures. Many banking applications provide options that enable you to sort your expenses into categories like groceries, eating out, leisure, and bills. Key takeaways: adopt a mindful approach to spending to gain a clear understanding of your financial habits. Maintain your usual spending habits for a week to determine your average weekly expenses. Identify what brings you joy and ensure it's included in your spending plan. Utilize banking apps to track and categorize your expenses for better financial awareness. Remember, the ultimate goal is not to restrict your happiness, but to spend consciously and wisely. By practicing mindful spending, you can achieve financial stability while still enjoying the things that bring you joy. Chapter 2. Practice strategic spending. After determining the cost of a typical week and identifying your spending habits, it's time to address some of those behaviors. It's important to understand that accumulating debt or overspending is not always a result of personal shortcomings. Unexpected events such as medical emergencies or family situations can significantly impact your financial situation. It's crucial to remember that people should not be judged for these situations, not even by themselves. However, for many individuals, getting into debt and poor financial management can often be attributed to the following factors. 1. Lack of patience. Impatience can lead to impulsive purchases and unnecessary expenses. Waiting and considering your purchases can help you make more informed decisions and avoid unnecessary debt. 2. Poor relationship with money. A negative or unhealthy mindset towards money can contribute to poor financial decisions. Developing a positive and respectful relationship with your finances is essential for effective money management. 3. Impulsive buying. Making unplanned and impulsive purchases can quickly lead to overspending and debt. Learning to differentiate between wants and needs and practicing self-control can help you avoid unnecessary expenses. Key takeaways: unexpected events can impact your financial situation, and it's important not to judge yourself harshly in these situations. Common factors contributing to debt and poor financial management include a lack of patience, a poor relationship with money, and impulsive buying. Developing a positive relationship with money, practicing patience, and exercising self-control can help you make more informed and strategic spending decisions. By addressing these common spending behaviors and adopting a strategic approach to spending, you can improve your financial management skills and work towards achieving financial stability. Chapter 3. Pay off your debts first. If you find yourself in debt, you're not alone. Many people face various forms of debt, including student loans, mortgages, car payments, personal loans, or credit card debt. It's essential to shift our perspective on debt and remove the negative stigma associated with it. Debt is not necessarily a villain. In fact, it can be a valuable tool for growth and development. Consider this: it might take you 10 years to save enough money to start a new business. However, if you take out a loan, you could potentially have a successful business up and running within those 10 years and have the loan paid off. Even successful companies like Apple, Amazon, and Netflix utilize debt to fund investments. For example, Apple recently borrowed $90 billion for investment purposes despite having profit reserves of over $300 billion. Why didn't they use their reserves? The answer lies in the flexibility and quick access to capital that debt provides. Embrace strategic and mindful use of debt. Growing up in a culture where debt was often frowned upon, some parents teach to embrace debt strategically and use it mindfully to avoid blocking own financial potential. Key takeaways: 1. Debt is a common financial tool that can be used strategically for growth and development. 2. Shifting your perspective on debt can help you utilize it effectively to achieve your financial goals. 3. Strategic and mindful use of debt can provide flexibility and quick access to capital when needed. By prioritizing the repayment of your debts and adopting a strategic and mindful approach to using debt, you can make informed financial decisions and unlock your financial potential. Chapter 4. Organize your accounts. When it comes to managing your financial accounts, it's crucial to ensure you're getting the best deal possible. Before opening any account, take the time to research and consider the following elements. For both credit and debit accounts: 1. Bank selection. Choose a reputable bank that meets your needs and offers excellent customer service. 2. Account types. Select the right type of account that aligns with your financial goals and spending habits. 3. Taxes. Be aware of any taxes or fees associated with the account. For credit cards, when choosing a credit card, look for the following features. 1. Lowest possible. APR. Aim for a low annual percentage rate APR to minimize interest charges. 2. Extended payback period. Opt for a longer payback period without applying any APR to give yourself more time to repay the balance. 3. Benefits and rewards. Choose a card that offers benefits such as cashback, points, or travel rewards. For debit accounts, when selecting a debit account, prioritize the following features. 1. No or low overdraft fees. Ensure the account has either no overdraft fees or very low fees. 2. Reasonable overdraft limit. A decent overdraft amount can provide a safety net for unexpected expenses. 3. No ATM fees. Look for an account that offers free ATM withdrawals or reimburses ATM fees. 4. Additional benefits. Consider accounts that offer additional benefits such as cashback on purchases or discounts on services. 5. No account fees. Opt for an account with no monthly maintenance fees to avoid unnecessary charges. Additional tips for both accounts. 1. Negotiate late fees. If you incur a late fee on your credit card, call the bank immediately to request a waiver. This late fee may not be reported to the credit bureaus. 2. Negotiate savings APR for debit accounts. If you've been a long-time client, call your bank to inquire about increasing your savings annual percentage rate APR to maximize your savings. 3. Negotiate credit card APR. Similarly, if you've been a long-time credit card holder, call the bank to negotiate a lower APR to reduce your interest charges. Key takeaways. 1. Research and compare banks and account types to ensure you're getting the best deal. 2. For credit cards, prioritize a low APR, extended payback period, and valuable benefits. 3. For debit accounts, look for no or low overdraft fees, reasonable overdraft limits, and no ATM fees. 4. Always negotiate to waive late fees and potentially increase your savings APR or decrease your credit card APR if you are a long-time client. By optimizing your accounts and negotiating with your bank, you can maximize your savings, minimize fees, and make the most of your financial resources. Chapter 5. Investing. Once you have a clear understanding of your spending habits and have strategically planned your savings to pay off debts, you may be ready to start investing. However, it's essential to approach investing with caution and ensure that you don't jeopardize your financial stability by investing more than you can afford. Here's a guide to help you start investing wisely. Steps to start investing. 1. Maintain a savings goal. Save at least 30% of your income. This percentage can vary based on your living expenses, but it's crucial to save a significant portion of your income to build a solid financial foundation. 2. Allocate your investment budget. From your saved money, allocate an investment budget. I recommend investing no more than 50% of your saved funds to ensure you have a financial cushion. 3. Diversify your investments. Diversification is key to reducing risk and maximizing returns. Here's a suggested allocation. 50% in a long-term ISA. An individual savings account, ISA, offers tax-free savings and can be a great option for long-term growth. 25% in stocks and ETFs. Invest in stocks and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that you believe have significant growth potential. Conduct a thorough research or seek advice from a financial advisor to make informed investment decisions. 25% in cryptocurrency, collectibles, or alternative investments. While this is a controversial area, it's essential to invest in assets that align with your risk tolerance and investment goals. You might consider investing in cryptocurrency, collectibles like wines or whiskey, or luxury items like a Birkin bag. Key takeaways. 1. Save at least 30% of your income to build a solid financial foundation. 2. Allocate an investment budget with a maximum of 50% of your saved funds for investing. 3. Diversify your investments by investing 50% in a long-term ISA, 25% in stocks and ETFs, and 25% in alternative investments like cryptocurrency or collectibles. Please note that investing involves risks and there are no guarantees of returns. It's essential to conduct a thorough research or consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. By following this strategic approach to investing, you can work towards growing your wealth while maintaining financial stability and security. Implementing these habits may seem challenging at first, but with discipline and commitment, you can achieve financial success and security. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, but how you manage and grow what you have. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe, so that you won't miss out on good knowledge from Brain in Founder channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.